to be able to go to the land and see things getting done. Once we start seeing land getting changed and worked on, that's when it's going to start getting surreal. But
every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
all right, what up, everybody? So I just want to give you an update. I'm going to keep you updated on the homestead process. I'm at work. So what's going on is we have been working on this project for exactly 1 year and 2 days. That's when we started the contracting. We put the money down and started the process of what we're doing. Today is Sunday. Technically, it's Monday morning, 12:45 in the a.m. Anyway, April 18th. So Friday, Good Friday, made exactly 1 year. And what happened also is we got the okay to where everything is cleared financially. We went through a lot of things. I'm sorry for some of you that heard this before, but I'm gonna try not to get too deep into the past things that I said, but I just have to bring you up to speed where we've bought the land, paid it off completely, 40 acres. We sold our house that we didn't plan on doing that. We sold the house last October, which is like 6 months ago. We thought this April, right now, that we would be moving into the homestead. So from what they're talking about now, the progress is going to be, we'll probably get there by the latest, they said, Christmas 2022 of this year. So what they're waiting for now is to do the survey the land to see if it's what is it called? Appraise. They're going to appraise the land. That's going to take 3 to 6 weeks. Once they appraise the land, then it's pretty much, that's when they can start distributing money to getting the permits, and that's when you pay the contractors half the money to start what they're going to do. Then you pay them the other half once everything is done. On top of them, we're going to also do, outside of what's getting done with the initial loan, we're going to be paying for a well, so we have to tie that in with everything. We're also paying for the off-the-grid solar that we're doing ourselves. And both of those things are pretty pricey. A well is going to be about $25,000. Off-the-grid solar will be probably about $50,000. We're going to get like a rebate at the end of the year, so that will, chop it down to maybe about $35,000 after the rebate. But yeah, these are things that we also, with the well and the off-the-grid solar, we're going to have to plan on getting those things done once they work with the wash for us to get on the land and start putting the house down, the fence and everything. We got to try to tie it all together so it doesn't be like that gets done, and then after that's done, now we have to wait for months and months for those other things to get done. So that's basically, you know, the process of what we've been waiting for. It's a lot of patience, and we thought, like I said, we would have been done with this a long time ago. So, you know, thanks for just sticking around. And I'm going to try to keep you guys updated on everything that's happening. So, hopefully sooner than later, we will get in there. Hopefully also sooner than later we can start breaking the ground, because that's when it's going to be really interesting to be able to go to the land and see things getting done. Once we start seeing land getting changed and worked on, that's when it's going to start getting surreal. Yeah, so just stay posted. I don't want to make this too long. Just a quick little update. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Also, you know, we have a channel for our dog business, Desert Baubles Breeder LLC. So you can follow that on Desert Baubles Breeder YouTube channel and Instagram. So follow. I'll probably put it down in the description as usual. And thanks for watching. Comment below. Comment on people's comments. You know, we one big happy family here, y'all. Holla at us, man. Keep us in your prayers. We out. Big John.
Did you find the ball?
Malamute Husky mix. Awesome. 1 year old. Amazing.
Yeah.
Love him.
I don't know where it's at.
Love him.
Put it in the bag.
You can wash
Why
it
do you
off.
want to hand it to me?
Hey, good boy.
She brought it to you, but you were talking. Look at this
What are you
thing.
doing, little guy?
Yeah,
He's
Playing with your little one.
she?
He.
your mouth.
Good boy.
I don't see his thing on.
He's awesome.
He's a boy?
Yeah, his name's Kobe.
Okay, Kobe?
Yeah.
No, you're not playing with that ball.
It's too dirty.
Somebody trying to play with you, Tank. He's trying to play with you, Tank. You're digging a hole. He's trying to play with
Oh,
you.
God.
Oh, you want to see somebody dig? Look at
That little guy.
Look at him.
There you go.
Look at her digging.
I know.
He sees it. He'll still go home.
Yeah, he likes
He
to
could
dig.
dig like you cannot.
Wait, the boy or
The boy.
The
the?
boy.
Okay.
Coco Chanel.
You see rocks in the dog park? That's him.
Really?
At the edge,
He's very
he
chic.
could stick his.
He's French.
Very, look at him.
Coco
Trying to get on top
Chanel,
of
we
lady.
call him.
Look at him.
He always does.
He's so
That's how I get
cute.
his leash on.
And he wears his diaper. He's pretty good at wearing diapers, but
That's funny.
he's not good in the house.
I wanted to ask him what type of dog. Do you ever take the diaper off so he can poop?
No. It just wraps around his stomach area. Just around this area.